Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I steam my hair, basically the benefits of steaming for both your hair and your scalp. So right now I'm just refilling my water tank with distilled water because it was pretty much empty. And this system only accepts distilled water. So distilled water is probably the best water you can use for your system because there's no contaminants in the water and the system will last longer and perform better. So here are the buttons, and I always use it on the full wattage amount, so 600, and here is the timer, and the steamer shuts off when it's done. Okay, so I just finished shampooing my hair using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Murfura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. This stuff is bomb, super creamy, and of course I'm going to follow up and deep condition using the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This stuff, you guys, is amazing for in the fall or the winter months. It is a thick moisture mask, super thick. It's not even running out. And it just really hydrates and softens my hair. It also helps to hydrate my new growth as well. So this is what I'm going to be using for today. So I like to put my conditioners into a separate container. That way my hand is not digging into the container itself. That way it doesn't lose its potency and effectiveness. So I'm going to apply this in sections, of course, just making sure that I hit my new growth and my ends. And you guys know, usually when I deep condition, I like to add oils into my deep conditioner, especially if there aren't any oils in the ingredients itself. But with this deep conditioner, there are some oils already in the ingredients, so I don't bother add any because there's just no point. I want to say in this mask, there's coconut oil, avocado oil, murfura oil, and some butters as well. So to add more oils into the mix would be a little bit extra, and it would definitely weigh my hair down. So I've been using this hair mask since 2015 or so. That's when I first introduced it into my hair regimen, and I love it. It's been with me since then. And I typically like to reach for this usually in the fall and winter months because of the consistency of this mask. It's super rich, it's thick, it's creamy. It leaves my hair feeling really soft, fluffy, moisturized, yet strong at the same time. And it tackles my new growth. So it really softens it, it makes it more manageable, so I can stretch my relaxers a tad bit longer. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments down below, have you guys used this deep conditioner? What are your thoughts on it? Is it a staple for you? What do you love about it? And if you have tried it and you don't like it, let me know as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I think this is something that most relaxed ladies would love in their hair because it gives you a mixture of both moisture and strength at the same time, and it really helps to get your new growth under control if you are stretching your relaxers. So you guys let me know down below. So as you guys can see, I leave no area untouched. I like to apply my deep conditioners or my hair masks in sections, that way no area is neglected. And I like to focus on, getting the conditioner all the way down to my ends, and obviously focusing on areas that typically aren't really, within reach. So like my nape area, edges, behind my ears, that area tends to get neglected. So that's usually what I like to do. And when I steam, you guys, I don't use a plastic cap. I always just let the steam itself penetrate onto my hair. So I keep it up with a hair clip. That way the steam can get into my scalp and on my ends. All right, so we're ready to steam. I'm gonna turn on the steamer, set it for 30 minutes. Of course, I have my water bottle and my towel because it gets hot, and we are ready to steam. Steaming is probably one of my favorite things to do when it comes to hair care, especially in the fall and winter months. Usually I like to increase it a little bit more during this time frame. So typically I would steam monthly, but usually anywhere from about October till April or so, I like to steam on a bi-weekly basis because during these months, you guys, it is cold and the air is cold, it's dry, and your hair can tend to feel a little bit more brittle as well. So steaming really helps to just rehydrate your hair. That moist steam really helps to penetrate into your scalp, so it really takes care of dry scalp as well. And I just love the way my hair feels afterwards. So during the steaming process, the warm vapors really help to open up the hair cuticles and allow deeper penetration of your deep conditioner. I don't know what it is, but for me, I feel like my deep conditioners work like 10 times better when I steam. I love my hooded dryers as well, but steaming is just a little different. You know, it just hits different. So usually it just feels much better, and obviously it increases elasticity. And we all know that hydration equals less breakage, which means healthier hair and length retention. All right, so say for example, you don't have a hair steamer. Don't worry, I got you. There is a DIY that you could do. So you would apply the conditioner as you normally would, get a towel, wet it with hot water, wrap it around your hair, cover with a plastic cap or a shopping bag of some sort, and then sit under your hooded dryer for about 25 to 30 minutes and you're good to go. So I'm done steaming and I'm gonna go rinse. So I figured I'd give you guys some winter hair care tips because a few of you have asked me about that, so why not? So of course winter is coming. You always want to increase your deep conditioning sessions. So instead of going 20 minutes or so, go a bit longer. Put that moisture back in your strands, girl, okay? For number 2, I would say is scalp care. Keep your scalp nice and lubricated, obviously with an oil. Keep that blood flow, so you want to massage your scalp as well. You want to prevent dryness, so keeping that routine is important. Get a satin lined winter hat. That is something that I'm definitely going to invest into this winter. That way you're preventing your ends from drying out. Hide your ends, girl, hide your ends. Safe and effective protective styling is always necessary to lock in that moisture and bring out the heavier treatments. So your cholesterols, your hair masks, your pomades, your hair butters, all of that good stuff. So hopefully those tips will help. Of course, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.